Hey Fitbit fans, welcome back to our channel. If you ever found yourself frustrated with your Fitbit not accurately counting the floors climbed, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will tell you common reasons for the Fitbit floor counting issue and the best solutions you can try to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Floors on Fitbit signify the numbers of stories or floors you have climbed using stairs. You can also earn Fitbit badges which motivate you to take stairs instead of the lift or escalator. Believe me, there are plenty of reasons that might be causing Fitbit's wrong stairs tracking issue. So let's discuss the first reason why Fitbit is not counting floors correctly and how to fix it. The first factor that can cause Fitbit to not count the floors correctly is the height of each floor. If the height of each floor is less than 10 feet, then Fitbit will not be able to count the floor. Fitbit only considers a floor has been climbed when the height of the floor is 10 feet or above. In case the average height of the floor is 9 feet and you climb 4 floors, then chances are Fitbit will only register 3. It is because the total height climbed is 36 feet and Fitbit requires you to complete 40 feet to register 4 floors. So this can be one of the reasons why your Fitbit Sense is tracking floors incorrectly. This rule is applicable to other Fitbit models like Charge, Versa and Inspire series as well. Another reason why Fitbit might not be counting your floors can be because of the accumulation of dust, dirt or moisture. Most, if not all smartwatches have their altimeter port behind the watch. It can start acting erratic if the watch is not clean or the altimeter port is blocked by dust. Given the Fitbit water resistance rating today, it should not be difficult to clean them. Just take a wet cloth and wipe the watch's back. Try again and see whether this fixes the issue or not. Some users have found that their stair climbing posture also results in their Fitbit Charge not counting stairs correctly. The quickest way to fix the issue, according to some users, is by not placing hands on the handrail while climbing. Fitbit needs to be able to recognize that you are on the move and not in a stationary position inside a lift. I know it's cliche, but have you tried powering your Fitbit on and off? This usually fixes the issue in the majority of cases. And if it still doesn't fix the issue for you, then I would recommend considering factory resetting your Fitbit. Also, some users have found that restarting their Fitbit before climbing the stairs fixes the issue. Sometimes, issue can be because of the watch face you have selected. For instance, a third-party watch face might not be able to show floors count on the face due to bugs or any other issue. However, Fitbit might still be tracking your number of floors climbed and syncing it to the companion app. If that's not the case, you can also consider reinstalling the Fitbit app or clearing the cache to see if it fixes the issue. In my opinion, if all prior mentioned tips haven't fixed the issue already, you should get the watch looked at by Fitbit support. That's all for today. Now you know how to fix the Fitbit floor counting issue. If you found this video useful, then please like and share it with others who use Fitbit. And if you want to learn more about wearable tech stuff, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.